My name is Praveen Uma Mageswari Sendil Kumar. My student ID is S41555669.
This is my student ID and my full name is Sadakshi Balaji. My student ID number is S407 2007. So we are going to start with question 4. So we performed a proactive threat hunting investigation using a Suriketa event log file called revised Q4 Eve JSON. So the first step was to prepare my investigation environment. I verified that the required tools were available in the Kali Linux, and I checked that the JQ was installed because it is needed to be analyzed JSON formatted log files. So once the tools were ready, I placed the event log file into my Word directory and confirmed that it was accessible. So my second step was to understand what kinds of events were recorded in the log file. So using the JQ, I examined the event types present in the database. The results showed that all 1 lakh records were alert events. So this immediately indicated that the log contained security related detections rather than the normal network activity. And the third step was to analyze the categorize the alerts. So I extracted the alert signs and found several database related activities. So these included MongoDB credential guessing attempts, suspicious large data transfers from the database server, and Nmap scanning activity. I then categorized these alerts into brute force attacks and possible data exfiltration.
Based on this finding, I developed a threat hunting hypothesis. My hypothesis is was the attacker were targeting database services within the network in an attempt to gain unauthorized access and potentially steal sensitive data. I formed the hypothesis because the alert suggested multiple attack stages, including scanning, credential guessing, exploitation, and suspicious data transfer. The fourth step that was validate the hypothesis. I filtered the logs to focus especially on MongoDB, Redis, and database-related alerts. During the investigation, I identified the repeated connections from the external IP address. The IP address is 185.22.1.5 to the internal host IP 10.0.5.20 on the port 27017, which is the default MongoDB port. I also confirmed the presence of 20,000 MongoDB brute force alerts, 30,000 Redis exploitation alerts, and 5,000 alerts indicating suspicious database data transfers. The final step was to determine whether a security incident would be raised based on the evidence collected. I concluded that the hypothesis was valid. The activity demonstrated weak consistency, brute force attacks, exploitation attempts, and possible data exfiltration targeting database systems. Since this activity poses a significant risk to sensitive organization data, I determined that situation should be escalated as a security incident and investing further by the incident response team. Thank you.
Thank you.